Taking just 4 pills of this natural anti-inflammatory will relieve pain as fast as taking an ibuprofen. But it's also going to help kidney health. Katherine from Double O Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. The supplement I want to show you today has an anti-inflammatory effect, so powerful it can replace NSAIDs in the management of pain. But it's also supposed to slow down the progression of kidney disease because it decreases the inflammation in the body. And inflammation is a powerful driver of disease. Never underestimate it. It's not just a cause of cancer. Inflammation turns on the body and it can lead to diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. And it makes kidney disease progress faster. To make things worse, chronic inflammation is very common in people with CKD, and if you are in pain, you can't even take the most common anti-inflammatory medications such as aspirin or ibuprofen because they're known to damage the kidneys. So you guys may understand why when I've started to learn about the supplement I want to show you today, I decided to try it immediately on myself. Well, it worked for me. And for several thousand of other people, according to various studies. This is a supplement of Glucosamine Chondroitin MSM. This kind of supplement is mainly used to speed up the production of collagen used by the body to restore cartilage in the joints. But it works so well on inflammation, it's also supposed to help with kidney health. It is rapidly growing in popularity because the effects are immediately noticeable. And people really like it when they can get rid of pain fast. But I want to show you this, not just tell you. If you go on Amazon.com and write Glucosamine Chondroitin MSM, you may see that many of these products have several thousands of positive reviews. Here's what people are saying about these supplements. It works for me like magic. I took it for a week and pains were virtually gone. No pain, I couldn't believe it. Every time I ran out of glucosamine and chondroitin, my knees start hurting again. Okay, I could go on, but I think I made my point. And you may now understand why I was so eager to try these on myself. You see, this box is already half empty and it worked. It helped me. But I'm not here to sell this, you know. Now guys, if you're already thinking about trying this supplement, please wait until you also see the part of this video about the side effects or use the navigation bar below. Haste is never a good thing when it comes to health. Many brands put potassium in this and there are also side effects worth mentioning, unfortunately. Glucosamine in particular is believed to cause problems to some people with severely impaired kidney function and high blood glucose levels. Nonetheless, it's clear in my opinion that if you take 2 pills and the pain goes away without significant negative effects on the kidneys, well, I'm all in. What people usually ask me when I talk about opinions and reviews is, are there real studies to prove that it works? Well, let's see. Glucosamine is similar to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs but without the kidney killer side effect. It has been shown to have unique anti-inflammatory effects, especially powerful when combined with chondroitin and MSM. Some of the proven benefits of this combination of substances include the powerful pain-relieving properties. Actually, the scientific support for glucosamine is so strong that the compound is available as a medicinal substance, not just as a supplement in the UK and other areas of Europe. And also, it may reduce inflammation. Glucosamine and chondroitin supplements may also help reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to a number of potential health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. This may be part of the reason why glucosamine reduces arthritis pain. So, Regularly taking the supplements can help lower your risk of a number of chronic conditions. Glucosamine in particular slows down osteoarthritis. And I had no doubt about it. As I said, I tested this on myself. I work out a lot, and not all my workouts are the low impact ones I make for you guys. Now, things are getting even more interesting here. Glucosamine may reduce overall death rates as effectively as regular exercise, according to a study. Researchers think these supplements have a powerful effect on heart health because it acts in the same way as a caloric restriction. This is a very recent paper, and researchers are now asking for more studies on this combination of substances. Now, chondroitin and MSM are not just here to make the name of the supplement longer. In fact, MSM in particular is being studied for its kidney protecting benefits. In this study, enough glycerol was given to rats to cause acute renal failure. They also gave half the rats MSM to see if it could protect the kidneys. Rats who received MSM had significantly lower bone and creatinine, and researchers think that this kidney protecting benefit may apply to humans too. And I know this is just a study on animals, but you see, this is how science works. New treatments need to be tested on animals before researchers are able to try them on humans. Besides, if MSM was proven to reverse kidney disease in people too, it will be your doctor to tell you to use this supplement. Am I right? Now guys, it is clear in my opinion that this combination can work to fight pain, inflammation, and it may even protect the kidneys. This is why it could be very useful for people who cannot take non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs to try this, both as a quick fix for pain and as an ongoing treatment for inflammation. Now, what are the correct dosages to get the benefits from this supplement? Typical dosage is 1500 milligrams for glucosamine sulfate, 1200 milligrams for chondroitin sulfate, and 1000 milligrams for MSM. So try to find a supplement with this combination, okay? For example, Doctor's Best on Amazon.com has this exact combination of ingredients, but there are many other alternatives. No brand makes it, even if it has less MSM that I would like. There's also Arazo Nutrition, which is the best reviewed on Amazon. But you know, if you're outside the US, you're not gonna find these brands. For example, I'm using a supplement from Vitamase, a German brand, since I live here in Italy. This one has a different dosage from the ideal one though. Now, you usually get this amount from 4 pills, which is good. So you can start with just one and see if it works before going up to the full dosage. Most studies have shown that this combo needs to be taken for about 2 to 4 months before its full benefits are realized, although many people will experience improvement sooner. Now, MSM can also be taken alone. It has similar benefits to the 3 supplements combined, but it won't be as powerful if taken alone. As a plus side, numerous toxicity studies have been done to assess the safety of MSM, and even very large doses, up to 4.8 grams per day, appear to be safe. Glucosamine, on the other hand, appears to produce some side effects. So, is glucosamine safe for kidneys? Let's see. Side effects on kidney health are reported in a small portion of patients. However, patients who are taking multiple medications or who have other diagnosed illness may be particularly susceptible. So always talk to your doctor before taking any supplement and monitor your kidney function. Now, people with diabetes should use caution when taking glucosamine because it may raise blood sugar. These supplements may also have a blood thinning effect, which is not a bad thing, but be careful if you're taking an anticoagulant, okay? And also, there is some potassium in glucosamine, about 180 milligrams of potassium if you take 1500 milligrams of glucosamine. In conclusion, until we see more studies, glucosamine should be used with caution in patients with advanced stage chronic kidney disease. Bottom line, treating chronic inflammation should be a priority for people wanting to reverse their kidney disease even without painful symptoms. So, try a Glucosamine Chondroitin and MSM supplement if you have high inflammation markers. But as we have seen, it also works very well as a painkiller when you absolutely need an aspirin or ibuprofen, but you know you cannot take one. These side effects are very mild compared to those of NSAIDs. If you are concerned about the possible side effects, consider that there are other very powerful natural anti-inflammatories that may help. Turmeric, for example, is not just one of the most potent anti-inflammatory in nature, it also has a potent kidney protecting effect. But you should prepare turmeric in a special way, like I've done in this video up here, to get all of its benefits. And by the way, guys, a new video is coming next Tuesday, and I hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. Thank you for watching.